how to fork a particular code in your codex. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll guide you how you can quickly fork any particular code that is written by codex into your own codex account. So to do that, first let the codex type any particular code. So for that, I will simply go with a very simple and a very low reasoning effort code so that I can quickly have the sample code which I want to show, and I will then guide you how you can fork it internally within the codex. So as you can see, I have typed in the prompt to write a simple HTML code, and you can see that codex has written the code. Now once the code is ready, you will see this fourth option, which is the fork option. So all you will need to do is simply click onto this fork button and just wait for a while. Do not try to spam it again and again. As you can see that if the forking occurs, it will simply move you to the new chat, and you can see that the code has been successfully forked. And from here you can also see this message which says forked from conversation. To return to the conversation, you can click onto the same and you will be written onto that particular conversation. So that's how easily you can fork any code within the codex using this particular technique. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.